Hi kindergartners, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to go over all of our uppercase letters, or ABCs. So you can use this video if you need some extra practice, or if somebody you're working, like your parents, are a little busy today, or parents if you need help how to go through this with your kid. So I'm going to get going on it, and I'll go a little bit faster than the other videos just because there's so many letters to go through. Alright, here we go. So say the letter right when you know it, and then I will tell you what its name is and its sound. So if you know its name and its sound, say both. How about that one? That's the letter N. Say N. Good job. That's the letter T. T. Say T. T. Good job. What letter is this? That's the letter Z. 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 Can you say that? Good job. What about that one? That's the letter P. P. Say P. P. Good job. What about this one? That's the letter F. Say it. F. Good job. What about this letter? L. Ooh. Say L. Ooh. Good job. What letter is this? That's the letter R. 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 Good job. What letter is that? X. 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 Can you say that? X. X. Good job. What letter and sound is this? Good. W. W. Now you say it. W. W. Good job. What letter is that? O. Ah. O. Ah. Say it. Good job. What letter is that? I. I. Now you say it. I. Good job. What letter is that? Good. The letter is U. Is its sound. Say U. Good. Okay, what letter is that? C. K. Now you say it. C. K. Good job. How about this letter? I think most of you will know that one. Good, that's the letter A, and its sound is A. Say A. Good job. Okay, how about this one? Good, that letter is B. B. The letter is B, and the sound is B. Can you say both? Good job. What letter is that? E. The letter is E and its sound is eh. Say E, eh. Good job. What letter is this? Good. The letter is K. Its sound is K. Say K, K. Great job. All right, let's keep going. What letter is this? Good, that's Q, and its sound is Qu. Say Q, Qu. Good job. All right, what letter is this? Good, that letter is V, and its sound is V. V, V. Did you say it? I hope so. Good job. Okay, what letter is this? D. That's the letter D, and its sound is duh. Say D, duh. Good job. What letter is that? Good. That's the letter J. The letter J says ja. Say J, ja. Good job. Okay. What letter is that? Good. That's the letter G. And its sound is G. G, G. Good job. Alright, letter and sound. What letter is this and what sound does it make? That's the letter M. And it says mmm. Say M, mmm. Good job. What letter is that? Good. That's the letter S. It says S, like a snake. Say S, S. Good job. Alright, this next letter. That's the letter Y, and it says ya. Say Y, ya. And Y stands for Mrs. Yarrington. Mrs. Yarrington. Good job. Okay. What letter is that? Good. That's the letter H. And H says huh, huh. Say H, huh. Great job. And that is all of our Trimester 1 capital letters and sounds. So this might be a little tricky at first, especially out of order, but the more you practice, I promise it'll get easier and you'll know more and more. Great job. Talk to you soon.